This is not a test. This is your emergency broadcast system announcing the commencement of the first national purge sanctioned by the U.S. government. Commencing at the siren, all crimes, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours. Police, fire, and emergency medical services will be unavailable until tomorrow morning until 7 a.m. when the purge concludes. And weapons of Class 4 and lower have been authorized for use during the purge. If found using unauthorized weapons, it will result in death by hanging. Immunity has been granted to the President of the United States of America, the Senate members, the House of Representatives members, and the President's relatives. Blessed be our new founding fathers and America, a nation reborn. May God be with you all.